If you're looking for a budget-friendly drone that's easy to fly, the Ryze Tech Tello might just be what you need. This compact and lightweight drone is small enough to fit in your pocket, making it super convenient to carry around. Whether you're flying indoors or outdoors on a calm day, the Tello is ready to go. Setting it up is simple. Just download the Tello app on your smartphone, power up the drone, and you're ready to fly. No complicated controllers required. So, it is very user-friendly, especially for beginners. The on-screen controls are intuitive and responsive, allowing you to learn the basics of drone flying without feeling overwhelmed. It moves smoothly and accurately, making it easier to navigate through tight spaces. Plus, it comes with fun features like throw and go, where you toss it into the air and it starts flying, and 8D flip, which let you perform aerial tricks with simple swipes on your screen. Safety features are a significant part of the Tello's design. It has built-in propeller guards and downward-facing sensors that help it hover in place and avoid obstacles. This makes it ideal for indoor flying and reduces the chances of accidental crashes. However, the Tello does have its drawbacks. Its lightweight design means it struggles in windy conditions. Even a slight breeze can affect its stability, so it's best to fly it indoors or outdoors only on very calm days. Additionally, while it claims a control range of up to 100 meters, in reality you might experience connection issues beyond 30 to 40 meters. This limits how far you can safely fly it. The camera is a 5-megapixel unit capable of shooting 720p video. While this sounds decent on paper, the actual video quality is just average. There's no gimbal for stabilization, so footage can be shaky, and since the video streams directly to your phone over Wi-Fi, any connection hiccups can cause stutters or dropped frames. It's okay for casual shots, but not ideal if you're looking for high-quality video footage. Battery life offers around 13 minutes of flight time on a full charge, which is reasonable for a drone in this category. However, it takes about an hour to recharge, so if you want longer flying sessions, investing in extra batteries or the Boost Combo Pack might be a good idea. Compared to other drones in the same price range, the Tello stands out for its ease of use and safety features. Many budget drones lack stability sensors and can be harder to control, increasing the risk of crashes. While the Tello's camera isn't exceptional, it's decent for its price. If you need better video quality and outdoor performance, you'd have to consider more expensive options like the DJI Mini 2. In summary, the Ryze Tech Tello is a solid entry-level drone that's great for beginners learning the ropes. It's easy to use and fun to fly, but keep in mind its limitations regarding wind and video quality. If you're okay with these trade-offs, the Tello is worth considering. To sum up, what I like is that it's easy to fly and ideal for beginners. The compact and lightweight design for portability, the fun flight modes like throw and go and 8D flips, the built-in safety features like propeller guards and sensors, and its affordable price point. On the downside, it struggles in windy conditions, limited control range, practical range is about 30 to 40 meters, the average camera quality with shaky footage, no gimbal stabilization, and it takes about an hour to recharge. Extra batteries recommended for extended use.